Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about my next topic, that is the nutraceuticals available in market. First is the brand name, that is Jet Trim. Their component is wheat and function 0 calorie fat replacer. Next is the Lenu Life. Their component is the lignin extract flax and functions are the prostate health. Fanu Life, there is the fenugreek, galactomannan and their control, the blood sugar. Next is the T Max, there is the green tea extract and do the property in the potent antioxidant. Marinol, their components are the FADHA and EPA and their functions are the heart health protection. Next is the calorinol, CLA, their component and their function is weight loss ingredient. Broadly can be defined as the nutrients. Nutrients are the substances which have established nutritional functions, that is vitamins, mineral, amino acids and fatty acid. Herbal and the phytochemicals are the herbs or the botanical product. Dietary supplements are the probiotics, prebiotic and antioxidants, enzymes, etc. Nutrients are most common nutrients used, the supplemented as nutraceuticals are the mineral and vitamins or in combination with other antioxidants. Their health benefit of the different common nutrients. First is the vitamin. There are the two types of vitamin. First is the fat soluble vitamin, vitamin A. Act as antioxidant essential for growth and development, maintain healthy vision, skin and mucous membrane. May aid in the prevention and treatment of certain cancers and in the treatment of certain skin disorder. Vitamin D, essential for the formation of bones and teeth, helps the body to absorb and use the calcium. Vitamin E have the antioxidants and help to form the blood cells, boost the immune system. And next is the vitamin K is essential for blood clotting. Next is the water soluble vitamins. The first is the vitamin C, antioxidant necessary for healthy bone, gums, teeth and skin. Helps in the wound healing, prevent from the common cold. Next is the vitamin B1, help in the carbohydrate metabolism, essential for the neurological function. And next is the vitamin B2 as a energy metabolism, maintain healthy eye, skin and the nerve functions. Vitamin B3 as a energy metabolism, brain function and vitamin B6 have helped to produce essential proteins, convert the protein to energy. Vitamin B12 help in producing the genetic material, formation of RBC, maintenance of CNS, synthesis of amino acids involved in the metabolism of protein, fat and carbohydrate. Next is the folic acid, help in the RBC formation of the genetic material of cell and very much essential during pregnancy. Next is the pantothenic acids, aids in the synthesis of cholesterol, steroids and fatty acids, crucial for the intraneuronal synthesis of the acetylcholine. So these are the some vitamins, that is water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamin. Thank you.